from the page to your ears, this is the 360 Views, where stories don't stop at print, dive deep into the biggest headlines, boldest opinions, and the quirkiest features. So sit back, hit play, and let's get into it.
Good morning po. I am Lens from Valenzuela from the Mimaropa region. How do you think the three terms po na i-implement ng DepEd for the next school year will affect the performance of the students and teachers po?
Actually, yung three-term na pinopropose, that is a visionary, maganda sana siya. And I am looking forward na maganda yung kalabasan niya when it comes to yung epekto niya sa learners and sa teachers, lalo na kung handa at may implement siya ng maayos. Kasi with the three-term na pinopropose nila, magkakaroon ng mas mahabang time, uninterrupted time yung learners to study and focus. And at the same time, the teachers can also focus more and give more most appropriate interventions for the learners. Kasi ang issue kasi ngayon ay yung too congested curriculum o kaya naman yung limited time ng teachers to teach. And with that, kung magkakaroon ng 3 terms, siguro ay mas mamamanage ng teacher yung kanilang instructional time. And at the same time, yun nga, may specific time for intervention.
That's a wrap for today's episode of 360 Views. Until next time, keep talking, keep listening, and always stay in touch.